Hello, students. Welcome to the session of English Literature. Today, we are going to discuss the notes of our poetry, the book Reverie, chapter number 1, Dolphins. The poetess of this poem is Carol Ann Duffy. The poetess of this poem, Dolphin, is Carol Ann Duffy. Carol, Carol, Ann, Duffy, 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 Carol Ann Duffy. Now, let us first of all just let us do a quick recap of this poem. This poem is a dramatic monologue. The Dolphins by Carol Ann Duffy is a dramatic monologue written from the perspective of dolphins. It shows the opinion of the dolphins. It tries to enumerate the emotions of a dolphin which was once free, swimming around at its own will, but is now confined to an aquarium or a tank or a water park, a place where it does what its owner or trainer tells it to do. Its master uses it to perform tricks. It uses to amuse other people in the circus. Also, this poem shows how dolphins and other animals are suffering in the hands of men. They are using for men today is using for their own will. It it urges us to look at the world from their perspective, that how those animals feel. It conveys the poet's message against human cruelty towards animals. The poet also wants to indicate the troubles of humans who think they are caught in the confinedness of this world. So, let us head towards his first question. Let us see what the first question is. Our first question is, how is the play of contrast important for the poem The Dolphins? What does this question means, that what are the differences that the dolphins feel as compared to the life they were living before this confinement and the life they are living now in hands of the men, in the cruelty of men. So this is asking us the contrast between this, and how this contrast is important in this poem The Dolphins. See, students, in your class 11th you will be getting 16 marks questions, 16 marks long question. So my urge to you is this is just for a reference purpose. This answer is just for reference purpose. You just try to write it in your own points. You just write it, suppose it is of 16 marks, so write 20 to 25 points. Write the answer in point form. It is just for reference. It helps you that how you have to frame the answer. So let us just see the keywords and let us see how you can write your answers. The play of contrast has been amply magnified in the poem Dolphins when present imprisonment in captivity is compared to their past freedom in the wilds of nature. This means that this issue, that is, this contrast, is immensely shown in this poem, that the present imprisonment, that is captivity it is facing, that is compared to their past freedom where they lived in wilds of nature, means where they lived naturally in their natural habitat. So let us see the first point. Use of contrast heightens the difference between the dolphin's earlier blessed state of freedom in the open seas under the blue sky. So these are some keywords, that they were earlier in the blessed state. They were free. They were under the open sea. Okay, they were under the blue sky. But now at present what they are doing, they are facing oppression and monotony of their existence, means they are what they are facing now as compared to that back time when they were all free and they were in the open seas under the blue sky. But now they are facing oppression, they are under control of what, of human existence. circle will warm of water on a single note. Dolphin's expression of woe and utter desolation is seen in its voice as it turns our hearts to stone. What does this mean? That कि dolphins are expressing their sadness, they are expressing their grief, their utter isolation, and they couldn't do anything, and they are raising their voice. But our human heart, our hearts, human hearts has turned to stone. It is not heeding, it is not listening to their voice. Now let us see the second point. Commercial use of dolphins, reference to hoops, colored balls, plastic toys, shows dolphins are forecast to perform tricks to entertain human beings. Now, what are dolphins being used for? They are used for the commercial purpose. They are used for commercial purpose means people are earning money by how can we know with reference to the poem? The words like hoops, colored balls, plastic toys. They are controlled. Dolphins are controlled by the humans with the help of hoops and colored balls and plastic toys. And they are forced to perform the tricks to entertain human beings. And in return, human beings pay those humans, those who force them to entertain the human beings. They are put in limited artificial space of pools away from their natural habitats of large seas. Means once they used to live in their natural habitat, they used to live in the oceans and seas, but now they are confined to a limited space. Artificial aquariums, artificial swimming pools, water tanks, they are confined to a limited space. Those beings who were once living in the open seas and open oceans. Let's see the next point. In human treatment meted out to dolphin, dolphins are separated from their families, caged, abused, and whipped while they are being trained. Stifling of natural impulses has fatal consequences. Means that dolphins are separated as we how would we feel if we are separated from families? So just try to understand their point of view, that they are separated from their families. They are they are locked in a cage, they are caged, they are abused in the sense they are forced to do something that they don't want to. They are whipped means humans beat them, and they are being trained to entertain the other human beings. So these are the what of their these are the very stifling images that is being shown in the poem. This is the reality. The dolphins know our mind. The dolphins know our mind, know we will die here. Hence, unnatural acts of jumping the hoops, balancing on balls, and dancing with them, applause of audience, and scraps of food as reward. Now, what is being told here is that they know, their mind knows that they would die here. They don't have any hope that they would be coming out from those from that atmosphere. So these are so unnatural acts, unhuman acts, like jumping the hoops means there are long big circles and known as hoops, and they jump over them. They balance on the balls, they balance the balls, they dance with the ball, and this made them applause of audience. This earns them the applause of audience. And scraps of food, scraps of food means little bit tiny food as reward. The poem begins on a happy note where the dolphins call their world a place where they are in their element to swim and dance in the vastness of sea water. Now, this poem is beginning on a happy note, but after that, we just learn the side effects of those things. Okay, happy note in the sense that the dolphins were calling their world a place where they are the element, they are the main substance. They used to swim and dance in the vastness of sea water. They used to feel free. But captivity, they are confined in a small man made pool, have to move in same space daily, but now what their captivity has forced them to confine, their it has confined, it has restricted them into a small man-made pool where they couldn't move as freely as they used to move earlier. The memory of somewhere else where their skin used to flash in sunlight, but now the moon has disappeared. Means once they were used to feel free, that the sunlight that fall on them used to flash their skin silver. It used to flash the skin of the dolphins silver, but now it seems like the moon over their head in the sky, it has disappeared. Thus, play of contrast has been amply used in the poem. So, by this, we can say that the play of contrast has been widely used in this poem. That is, the differences between their previous life, that how they used to live their previous life, and how they are feeling now. This has been shown, this has been magnified in the poem. Okay, so this was all about the answer. You have to write the answer in the point wise. There is one another question, try to answer it on your own. This is it for today. Thank you.